It all started with one simple question. How do we make our cities more livable, more sustainable? We all knew the answer lay above us. On the rooftops.
Our journey to a greener tomorrow began with a dream. Silong, a Tagalog word. In English, shade or shelter. Every day we need silong, so our team thought of innovating traditional shelter. We believe that roofs are shelter for people, but they could also be shelter for sustainable innovation. We dive deep into research, learning from cities around the world that had already embraced green roofs. Toronto, Chicago, Tokyo, Melbourne, and Seoul. We wanted to bring the best ideas back home, made specifically to conquer the unique challenges of the Philippines. With every click, every line drawn in Solidworks, we were one step closer to our goal. We wanted a design that was not only functional, but also scalable and sustainable. And then, it all came together. The design was complete, and we could see our vision come to life in ways we hadn't imagined. Looking back, it wasn't just about the end product.
It was about the journey.
Where we learned, how we grew,
and the impact we knew we could make.